Hi everyone, I'm Chante and I'm back with another scrumptious video. Today we're going to be making conch fritters. Alright. Was it love sometime? Tablespoon of pepper. My complete seasoning. Now if it has salt in it, y'all know my rule of thumb. But this one's different. I'm going to put a tablespoon of this too. 1 tablespoon, because we want it seasoned. That's 1 tablespoon for all complete seasoning. For all purposes. Taste buds, how I season. So I don't know how it works for y'all. Y'all got to come up with your own happy medium. Oh, that pepper. Alright, so we got our seasoning. We didn't put this one in. Oh, and I'm going to put Old Bay seasoning. That wasn't quite a full tablespoon. Okay. Then we got our Kanye. I don't want it too hot, but I want it. I want a kick. Okay, it's about a tablespoon. And you got onion powder. That's a tablespoon. Oh, excuse me. And we got our hot sauce. This is for some kick too. Okay, and then we got my sea salt. It's on the little one, so that's why it's not all coming out fast. Alright, there you go. We got all that done. We're going to whisk this around. I might need some paprika. Okay, so we got paprika. We're going to do a tablespoon of paprika. Paprika. And 2 Sazon packages. Got it. This will give it some kind of nice color also. There we go. There you have it. So we're going to mix this in and then mix in our ingredients. Mix in our vegetables and conch. That's what I'm looking for. That right there. Delicious. Just gonna dump this in. Conch fritters taste the same. Everybody does their batter different. This is how I do mine. All right, that's the consistency we want, guys. Now I'm gonna end up freezing most of this, so give some to my son to take home for the kids. It's flavorful. All right, where's my spoons? Bitch better have my money. You better have my money. So what? Yeah. Yeah. Gotta have those in there. What I was missing. Oh, you talking to me? Oh, okay. Let me finish this.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find?